In this video, we'll walk you through connecting an external controller and assigning its buttons to Stage Looper's action buttons for hands-free control. We'll be using M-VAVE, Bluetooth foot controller with 4 buttons, but any MIDI controller recognized by the iOS operating system can be used in the same way. First, pair the Bluetooth controller in your device's settings. Ensure it's properly connected. Now, open the Stage Looper app. Navigate to Settings and select Connect Bluetooth Device. Even if your Bluetooth controller is paired, connect it within the Bluetooth MIDI Devices menu in Stage Looper by tapping its name. If the status shows offline, revisit step 1 to ensure proper pairing. Next, route your connected MIDI devices to receive input signals. Under Controller Settings, select all connected devices for input. Input refers to controllers sending MIDI information to Stage Looper, which is crucial. Identify your MIDI controller's name and select it. You should see received MIDI messages displayed on the screen below for testing. Once set up, Stage Looper will remember the connection each time you reconnect your Bluetooth device. If you see received MIDI control numbers, your external controller is successfully set up to control Stage Looper. Now, assign the MIDI controller's buttons to corresponding action buttons. Tap Controllers to Action buttons in Settings. In the Activity Monitor, you'll see 4 action buttons representing those in the sequencer. Assign an external control button for each action. If your controller has only 2 buttons, set actions C and D. To assign actions, select the arrow under the action button, tap Auto Detect, and press your controller button. It will assign the selected action button to the received MIDI control number. Auto Detect captures the first incoming MIDI signal, which is the press action with a value of 127, and then turns itself off. We recommend using the release action with a value of 0 because in upcoming updates, we are implementing long press to enable more action possibilities on the same button. Release action functions closer to your device's user interface action. Notice how when you release a button, it performs the action. You can also modify your controller to use Stage Looper's default settings. Button A corresponds to control number 20, B to 21, C to 22, and D to 23, but you can customize these to your preference. For better stability, we recommend using MIDI controllers. However, if you only have a keyboard emulator foot controller, you can set the preferred keystroke in this section. You can use multiple controllers for the same action simultaneously by enabling both with the Enable switches. If everything is configured correctly, the activity monitor should indicate each pressed controller. Once everything is set up properly, you won't need to redo these steps. Enjoy hands-free performing with Stage Looper.